Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, so happy to have you here. Today I'm going to show you a handbag reveal. I have bought several bags over this past year and these past months, so by no means these reveal videos I'm doing bags I've just bought, back to back. It's over a long period of time, but I just realized I did not share it with you guys on my channel, so I wanted to take the time to film some videos and reveal to you the handbags that I bought. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. So this handbag is from Gucci, and you can see it's kind of like a mini size bag, but here it is, the dust bag. I love the Gucci dust bag because it's so like silky. I mean, it does kind of slide off right now, but it's a really, really silky kind of bag. So this is a bag that I had been eyeing for some time. I feel like I've gotten to the point in my collection where I just love like colorful bags like that have some personality. Like I feel like the classics have kind of done the classics, and like kind of looking for things that I really like draw my attention, that are fun, that I think I will use, like just bring me joy when I look at it. So I feel like I've just kind of gotten to that point where I just look for those unique pieces that I'm really attracted to, and things that I will also hopefully will use. But this is one of them. So I love Gucci. The part of Gucci that I love are like the fun aspect of it, the color, the prints, just like the whimsical nature, the fun nature, a little bit eccentric. So like I think like when I look at, I have handbags of various designers, but Gucci for me is like that, like the fun part. So this is for me is fun, and it's like a print that I have loved. So if you have seen my previous handbag collection, and if you haven't, I'll link it down below. I have another bag from Gucci. I think the only other bag I have from Gucci actually, yeah. It is in a similar pattern, a little bit different. You'll see when I reveal it. And it's like my favorite print from Gucci. So let's go ahead and get into it before I keep talking. So here we are. Let's open it up, see what we got. Opening up the dust bag, and you guys ready? Here we go. There it is. Isn't this beautiful? I hope the color is picking up because it is such a vibrant bag. This is called the Gucci, I think it's called the Mini Boston bag in the Blooms print. So this print is a Blooms print. I have another bag in the Blooms print in the Dionysus style, but it's like in the pink, like the pink bloom. So it's like pink flowers, like light pink, reds, that kind of thing. This is where the flowers are blue. They also make this bag in that same print, the pink one, but because I have the pink one, I wanted like a little variety. And I love the red handles, the red trim, the gold hardware. This is how it looks like. I'll just give you, so like the blooms kind of, it's like it looks like it's painted on. I mean, I don't think it's actually painted. I think it's like a canvas print, but I love how it's got the GGs and like this really dark navy blue color. And then it's got the blue flowers. It's got green in it with the leaves and the little blooms that are there. I love the red contrast, and this is how it looks. So I've got the strap, because it does come with this long crossbody strap. Now the strap is not adjustable. However, it is, I understand, removable, because I think these little clips here, you can actually take them out. I don't know if you can see those clips there, but like those clips, you can actually pop them off and take it out and remove the strap altogether if you'd wanted. I have not done that yet because I've heard it's pretty difficult to get this like on and off, but I heard you could do that if you wanted. But it's, yeah, this long crossbody strap. And then the bag itself, it's got these two little handles. It reminds me of the like mini Speedies, like the tiny little Speedies, like the monogram and things. I think those are also really, really cute. And like, I think it's like similar in size. I think it's like a little bit bigger than some of them. I think it's between like the mini Speedy and like the Speedy 20, like somewhere in between. One of the reasons I like this is because it does fit my larger phone. And so I really like that, because I liked how these zippers go, unlike the Speedy, it doesn't stop here, it like goes around the corner. And so I really enjoyed that. And then the inside, it's just an open interior. It's got this like microfiber kind of, if you can see it, like kind of like a suede-y microfiber lining, which is really soft. It's got a little sign that says Gucci there, made in Italy, and otherwise no pockets or anything like that. So just a big hole, which is perfect. I actually like when a bag is so small, you just kind of want an open space just to be able to have the space to put things in. But I mean, I can actually fit a lot in here. If you guys are interested in like another video where I show you what this bag can fit, I'm happy to show you because this can fit not only my larger, size phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy, like the larger size. I don't remember exactly now, like the plus size. So it's a pretty big phone. I mean, it just fits in here, but I can get it in easily in and out. And then also in there, I can put in a wallet, sunglasses, like, hand sanitizers, lotions, even a small water bottle, like the mini ones will fit in here. So it's actually like a good size. And I just think it's so cute. Like, I think it's cute, even like with the outfit that I'm wearing, like just white and then this beautiful like print, and I love how like the contrast of the GGs with the flowers, the red. Like, I know it's a lot. I think a lot of people could be like, oh my god, that's a lot, but again, that's what I like Gucci for, is just the fun of it. And I just have always thought the blooms print was just beautiful. Now I've got two. I've got it in the pink version and the blue version, of different styles, and I just think it's gorgeous. And both of my bags are kind of mini because I think with the print being so loud, it's like nicer to have it on a mini size, like a mini, because then it's not gonna be like totally overtaking your outfit. But I love it. I have really enjoyed this, and it's comfortable to wear. And I often find myself just even tucking in the straps like I had in the beginning, like just tucking them back into the bag and just wearing it handheld. That works really well. But what do you think? What do you guys think of this bag? I mean, to me, this bag is just fun. Just like anytime I look at it, it just makes me happy, honestly. Like every time I take it out of the dust bag, I look at it, I carry it, it just makes me really happy. And the blooms print was just my favorite. It came in like totes, bigger Boston bags, which are like almost look like larger Speedies. It came in the Dionysus style. I want to say it even came like, I think it came in like sandals and slides and like phone cases. It was like really popular a while ago now. It's been out, so it's discontinued. You're not going to find this print currently. I've not seen it, but it is on the pre-love market if you're interested to get it. And this, of course, I bought pre-love since it's not available now. And so I love it. I'll show you guys around everything. I love this zipper pull too. It has like 2 zipper pulls. I can kind of connect in the middle, and the little details, like this says Gucci on it right there, and then just like, I just like it. I love the leather like red trim around it. So yeah, a lot of fun. This bag just makes me happy. So let me know what you think of this bag. Again, I love it. I think it's beautiful. So this is the Gucci blooms print mini Boston bag. So hope you enjoyed my reveal today. If you would love to see more, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell. I would love to have you in for my future videos, and my plan is to do a whole handbag collection at the end, so please stay tuned for that. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.